Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 10 Dewars Building, Parkhill in Leven. This is a fantastic spacious 2-bedroom upper flat. Great central location and you have outdoor garden space. Now what I'm going to do is flip the camera, take you on the tour, and at the end I will tell you further details about this property. So this is the entrance to the property. You come along the walkway. That is your shared outdoor garden space. So as you can see, patio area that you could sit out there on slightly nicer days. Then you have your own private stairway up to the property. Now there is a stair lift if required, but then we're going to head inside and straight away you'll see what I mean about spacious. It really is a great sized property. So we're going to start at the end of the hallway and work along. Now what I absolutely love is how high the ceilings are in this property, because again it just adds to that really spacious feel and look. And straight away we come into your master. So this is the larger bedroom of the two, and as you can see it really is a great size. Plenty of space in this room, and even with that wall-to-wall built-in kind of fitted storage, you still have all of this floor space as well. So it really is a great sized room. So you have your large windows to the front as well for your outlook, and I absolutely love how they have the dressing table area there. It's just perfect. Then we come along and into bedroom number 2. Now this does have a double bed in, so again it's a good sized second bedroom. Again, that high ceilings I just absolutely love. And then we're going to head along into your generous sized living room. So straight away you can see the size of this room, plenty of space. Feature fireplace as well. But just to give you an idea of the size, it's just perfect. And then we'll head along into your kitchen. Again, I know I keep saying this, but it really is a great size because it's actually a breakfasting kitchen. So you do have the dining table if you wish. You could also utilise this space and make like a breakfasting area if you like. But there's plenty of worktop and cupboard space with this kitchen. 2 big windows as well, and in plenty of light. But just to give you an idea of the size of the kitchen, such a good size. And then I will show you your bathroom. So we'll just head through. Just along the hallway and to our right into your bathroom. So you'll see wash hand basin, WC and shower over bath. And there we go. Let's head outside and recap. So that was the tour for 10 Dewars Building, Parkhill in Leven. You've just seen it's a really spacious 2-bedroom upper flat that you can really come in, add value and make it your own. Don't forget you've got the outdoor garden space and the addition of a stair lift if required. In terms of location, you're really central with this property. Just opposite we have Parkhill Primary School, and then you are a short walk to all your local amenities and shops. Great commuting links from this flat as well, as you're just a short walk to Leven bus station. And don't forget we have the up and coming train station as well, so it's great commuting links to get you connected across Fife and beyond. Just a short walk to Leven Beach as well in the Fife Coastal Path. So you really do have everything on your doorstep with this property while getting this great flat. Now if you would like to get the value of this property and further details, you can either click the link, you can message me directly, or you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at 5 Properties TV, take care. Let's recap 10 Dewars Building, Parkhill, Leven. So as you've just seen, a really spacious 2-bedroom upper flat. Move in, add value and really make it your own. Great location with this property as well, which is a great advantage. Just opposite you have Parkhill Primary School. You're also just a short walk to all your local amenities. Great commuting links from this property as well, because you're just a short walk to Leven bus station. And don't forget we have the up and coming train station as well, which will connect you across Fife and beyond. Just a short walk from this flat as well, and you're at Leven Beach and the Fife Coastal Path. So you really are getting everything on your doorstep while getting this fantastic 2-bedroom flat. Now, if you'd like to get the value and further details, you can either click the link, you can message me directly, or you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at 5 Properties TV.